Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and here it finally is. So here is now course 1 and course 2 on Codedamn.com. So we have our first basically beginner and really introduction, and then the second intermediary with some pretty challenging projects at the end. But I am super excited, and there's actually some more news on the way to come that we are working on, but I just want, this course was launched yesterday, so you are the first to know. So that was kind of one of the deals, was that I wanted you guys to know about it first. That the social media campaign is going to be starting in the next couple days, but you guys have first dibs, and I'm just super excited about it, super proud about it, and I really just wanted to share it with my close-knit community first, and have you guys have first whack at it to run through, and actually they are working on a coupon feature. So for those of you on Discord, in the next couple days you will be seeing a coupon show up that you'll be able to then purchase the course for lifetime and keep it for as long as Codedamn is up and running. And as much as they're growing and everything, I see them being around for a very long time. But just again, wanted you all to know first, and so just wanted to tell you thank you for all the encouragement, all the support, everything you guys have done to for us to mutually motivate. Because I would not have what I have here without you guys. So thank you very much, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.